nga belono kinekabo. Aloy kitenge kabo ero kengaya ngaro adoro ino sopula. Eboo keda alilot. Rokodi ngare bolo alo saipo. Ekoto berija aloy kinyesa kolong. Detara nari puru. I'm going to prepare eboo, and these are our ingredients that we need so as to prepare eboo. This is eboo. This is abala. And these are our nuts. This water, we are going to the yellow color I meant. So if you see this yellow color in your greens, in your eboo, you just know automatically you're going to produce very nice sauce. If it's green, that means the soda ash that you put in the water was not enough. You have to make sure you put enough soda ash to produce a yellowish color as it's boiling. That's when you know that you produce very nice sauce. As you're all seeing, our sauce is boiling. That is the yellowish color I'm talking about. This is the yellow color I'm talking about. So we shall wait for it to get ready. So this is our final mixture. As you can all see, it is a fine mixture of our nuts and the soup that we got from our greens, from our eboo. So now you pour your nuts. You pour your nuts in your eboo. Then you mix it properly. You don't overstir it. So now, after you've ensured that all the flour is not there, and you've left it for some time, our atap is ready. Our atap is now ready to be served. Then we shall put it down as it's now ready to be eaten. This is our atap. This is our atap, and we are now good to go. See how nice it is? If you ensure that all the flour is mixed up while you're mingling, you're going to produce very nice food. You cannot see any flour around because I managed to mix it properly. Yeah? So that's our food, and we are good to go.